Hello, beautiful goddesses. Welcome to Polkis. Today I bring very exciting news, and is that I just opened enrollment for the Wealthy Women Mastermind. And let's celebrate. And you might be asking, what is the Wealthy Woman Mastermind, Polkis? This is a place where you will find all the recordings that I led in in-person workshops or some workshops where I talk about money, wealth, frequency of money, how to be a recession-proof woman, how to have financial literacy if you're a businesswoman, and how to monetize not just in the physical, but also online. So all of those trainings that I led before in person are recorded, and you can find them now available inside the Wealthy Woman Mastermind. So whenever I do a presentation, I love to do exercises or give handouts to the people or the attendees that are watching me. And I added those handouts for you so you can also do it at home. So if you want to start fixing your relationship with money, start learning how the energetics and your vibration, your frequency with money works, then this mastermind is for you. Also, the most recent video and training that I added there with the exercises and handout is how to master your frequency with wealth and money. And it's the one that I thought in person at the Women's Retreat here in Houston, Texas. So if you missed it out, don't worry. You can watch the pre-recorded training with the materials and the exercises so you can see what happened in there. You can learn it as well from the comfort of your home. Also in this training is included all the trainings that I've been doing since last year that I've been doing in person or Zoom about money and wealth. You can find that in my website, www.polkis.com, or you can also go ahead, click one of the links in my profile, and you can do it there. So if you're waiting to join this community and start learning about money, but you don't want to buy the whole coaching 101 with me, this is a great place to start and transform your relationship with money. Right now, the investment is a total deal. So if you're ready, go ahead and join because the price will be going up in a few days. So if you want to take advantage of this offer for the investment, go ahead and join. So thank you, my goddess. I will see you inside the Wealthy Woman Mastermind. Adios.